Hello, it's Gary Bartlett. I'm your personal estate agent in Sittingbourne. So today we're back at Sonora Fields to show you a one-bedroom apartment that's just been taken onto the market for sale. Luckily, I'm here to meet a few of my friends. So let's go in and say hello. Hello mate, it's only Gary. Can you let me in?
Hello mate, come on in.
Cheers. Hello mate, come in. Just sit down there mate. I'm just doing dinner. Evening lads. So you can see we've enjoyed a nice evening with my friends here tonight, and you can see what sort of social area this is. You've got a lovely combined living dining area. Nice modern kitchen. Good sized double bedroom. And a nice modern family bathroom. And if you want to come and have a look yourself, please give me a call on 07834 97777 28. Speak to you soon. Yes! Yes!